Behind the gleaming surfaces and spotless interiors of our daily environments lies a critical service many of us take for granted: janitorial services. Today, we're taking a closer look at the two primary models that define this industry: direct hire and subcontracting, as we navigate through spaces that form the backdrop of our daily lives. Understanding how they are maintained can give us insights into the unsung heroes of cleanliness. Let's explore the differences, advantages, and considerations of each model. Direct hire means janitors are employed directly by the facility they clean. These employees are as much a part of the establishment as any other staff member, often resulting in enhanced loyalty and consistency in the cleaning services provided. This model promotes a stable work environment and direct oversight, allowing consistent training and adherence to company-specific standards. But what does this mean for the quality of service? Generally, it requires a higher level of detail and a proactive approach to maintenance. On the other hand, subcontracting involves hiring external firms to handle janitorial needs. These firms specialize in cleaning services and provide their staff with the tools and training to tackle a variety of environments. Flexibility is a hallmark of this model. Whether adapting to seasonal needs or providing specialized services like high-rise window cleaning or deep sanitization, subcontractors can quickly adjust their workforce and techniques to meet diverse demands. Cost is a significant factor in deciding between these models. Direct hire often involves higher upfront costs due to salaries, benefits, and training. In contrast, subcontracting can be more cost-effective for facilities that require flexible, varied services. Both models strive to offer the best in service quality and accountability. However, the direct hire model allows for quicker responses to issues and a more personal connection to the facility, which can be crucial in environments like healthcare facilities. Choosing the suitable janitorial service model depends on your facilities. Large, stable environments benefit from the consistency of direct hires, while dynamic, varied spaces find more value in the flexibility of subcontractors. Both direct hire and subcontracting play vital roles in maintaining the spaces where we live, work, and play. Understanding these models helps us appreciate the crucial services these hardworking professionals provide. Thank you for joining us in exploring janitorial service models. Remember, every clean space has a dedicated team behind it. Like and subscribe for more insights, and share your thoughts in the comments below.